The governmental business within power systems is very well positioned in the market with a market share of greater than 30%. How does this success come about? The governmental business at Rolls-Royce Power System is divided into land defense, tracked vehicles, wheel tanks, armored vehicles, and naval patrol boats, corvettes, frigates, submarines, minesweepers. The market for land defense is forecast to grow at more than 10% a year in the midterm. We expect Rolls-Royce Power System to achieve sales growth above market level. The Ukrainian-Russian war has changed the perspective of governments, especially in Europe. They are now questioning whether their existing forces and equipment are sufficient to deal with the new political reality. European governments are setting up land defense programs to improve their capabilities. To achieve this, armies are turning to systems that are already developed, available on the market, and highly proven in existing fleets. In many cases, these are MTU-powered vehicles. Some of the most notable are Boxer, armored transport vehicle, equipped with MTU Series 199. It has been ordered by the armies of Australia, Germany, Netherlands, Lithuania, UK, Ukraine. To date, 1,500 of these wheeled armored vehicles have been delivered. Other countries are currently adding to their procurement orders. Leopard 2 main battle tank, equipped with MTU Series 873 engines. Over 3,600 vehicles have been built today. The vehicle is in service with 14 European countries, including Germany, Hungary, and Norway. K9 self-propelled howitzers developed in South Korea and equipped with MTU Series 880 engines. These are successfully in service with armed forces from South Korea, Australia, Estonia, and Poland, amongst others. Puma, the world's most modern infantry fighting vehicle equipped with ultra-compact and powerful MTU Series 890 power packs, in service with the German Federal Armed Forces. These vehicles and their fleets will be increasingly operated, maintained, overhauled, and reordered in coming years due to a significantly increased operational exercise and the global political situation. All have MTU propulsion systems. These are the world's most powerful, compact, and modern propulsion systems which have been proving their worth on the market for decades under extreme environmental conditions. We are also represented in newly launched programs with MTU Series 199 engines, such as the American M10 Booker armored fighting vehicle. So far, 96 engines have been ordered, and we expect to deliver further engines when serious production begins. To produce the high volume of Series 199 engines needed and to meet the requirement to have local content in some cases, we assembled the Series 199 engines not only in Friedrichshafen, where we recently set up state-of-the-art production line, but also in East Grinstead in the UK and Aiken, South Carolina in the US. In the naval application space, we are also excellent positioned with a market share of over 30%. Rolls-Royce Power Systems has unique products with the highest power density, as well as extensive system integration expertise. MTU engines are particularly favored in highly demanding applications, such as fast, highly compact ships, such as frigates and corvettes, as well as minesweepers and submarines. Some of the most notable are, for the future F-126 frigates of the German Navy, we are supplying the onboard power and state-of-the-art ship automation solutions. The Type 31 multi-purpose frigates of the British Royal Navy are each powered by 4 MTU Series 8000 engines. The onboard power is also supplied by Rolls-Royce, as is the ship automation system. The US Navy Constellation-class FFG-62 frigate new building program relies on MTU Series 4000 marine gensets to meet high military requirements. In the naval sector, the current global political situation also suggests increased growth, but lead times are longer. We do expect to see increased fleet expansion or fleet renewals. In addition, governments and armed forces are considering future war scenarios and the need for land and sea defense systems. To continue to be represented in these programs, we are continuously developing our products. For example, we are continuously increasing the performance of our engines and are working intensively on the electrification and hybridization of military vehicle drives. For Navy customers, we are focusing on expanding the engine portfolio and extending our system prominence, including automation solution and the electrification of drives. In 2020, we acquired ServoWatch, a specialist in integrated ship automation solutions. With this acquisition, we have renewed and further expanded our nautic automation portfolio. Today, we already offer our customers not only reliable state-of-the-art automation solutions, but also complete lifecycle solutions from a single source with the help of onboard data acquisition and analysis. This can increase the availability of ship and optimize maintenance. We work purposefully on solutions that make a decisive difference for our customers. For the future, combustion engines will continue to play a central role in both land and naval defense due to the demanding mission requirements. On the way to CO2 neutrality, these engines have been approved to operate on sustainable fuels. Our position is robust because MTU propulsion systems are regarded in the industry as extremely reliable, robust, compact, and powerful. We have a dedicated organization within the company that focuses exclusively on governmental business and its requirement. We are perceived as the leading expert for future propulsion system in the market and are well networked within the defense market. We are in constant dialogue with both navies and army as well as with OEMs to offer customized propulsion solutions and servicing. We are a trusted partner for successful defense programs. Finally, 3 key factors for successful growth. The global political situation suggests increased growth in governmental business in the coming years. Due to our position on existing vehicles and ship platforms, Rolls-Royce with MTU products will benefit directly from this. Due to our long-standing customer relationship and comprehensive domain and system expertise, we are the first choice. We can continue to develop innovative products and service concepts that will be in demand in the market and set us apart from the competition. By expanding our system and automation portfolio, we can grow strongly in the medium term.